Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with a few essential moves so threading is smooth. First, raise the needle to its highest point and lift the presser foot. This opens the tension discs, which is why you do it now. Place your thread spool on the machine's spool pin and secure it with the cap so the thread feeds without snagging. Once done, pull thread toward the front and hook it through the first top thread guide. This first guide sets the correct angle into the tension assembly. Now continue down the threading path. Feed the thread between the tension discs and into the K-cup lever. You'll feel a slight catch and release which confirms proper placement. Make sure the K-cup lever is at its highest point before slipping the thread through. Once it moves, the thread will track correctly. Follow the remaining numbered guides down the front of the machine. Then either use the Janome's needle threader or hand the thread through the needle eye from front to back, so stitches form reliably. Finish by bringing the bobbin thread up. Hold the top thread, turn the handwheel toward you one full revolution and the bobbin thread will catch and lift. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot and lower the presser foot so fabric feeds evenly. So a short test line to confirm tension and stitch formation. If loops, skipped stitches, or breakage occur, recheck the thread path, confirm the needle is the correct type and fully inserted, and make small tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.